Temperature and humidity measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 BluePill Development Board. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of temperature and humidity measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 BluePill Development Board from Pulkit Chahar, Lakshya Tewatia and Harsh Pawar. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of temperature and humidity measurement system using STM32F103C8T6 BluePill Development Board. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research, subscribe now.
This is Group 21 and our project title is Temperature and Humidity Monitoring System. I am Lakshya and I have worked mostly on the programming part of this project.
My name is Pulkit and I have worked on hardware components of our project.
My name is Harsh. I have worked on the research part of the components and the connection part.
Now we'll give you a brief description about our project. So this is our project and this is the TTL converter. This is to program the STM32Q BluePill board, and this is the I2C LCD, and this is the DHT11 sensor, which is our main sensor which measures the temperature and humidity, and these are the LEDs just to indicate them.
So just giving an overview how this works. We have connected our STM32 with the TTL converter. We have connected our STM32 with the LCD and DTH11 and all these bulbs. Now Harsh will give you a quick demonstration about how this all works.
Now I'll show the working of the project. Currently the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius and the humidity is 37%. This is DHT11 sensor. Now we can increase the humidity. After reaching 70%, the red light will blink. Now the red light is blinked at the humidity 70% and the temperature is 29.9.
I have worked upon the coding part. I had interest in the programming, and so firstly I learned about how to interact with the LEDs using STM32 on the online simulator. Then I learned about how to interact it using the STM32 with the LCD, and eventually I coded this all up.
Yeah. Then I and Harsh were trying to study about how to interface different parts of our hardware components with STM32. We got stuck in a problem that whether we should interface our STM32 with our LCD in 4-bit mode or 8-bit mode. And when we asked our fellow classmates and teacher, we came to a solution that we should use 8-bit mode in our project because it's more suitable for this project.
Now I'll tell you how our project is different from others. Our project is highly cost effective, it is highly customizable, and we can customize this by removing this LCD and implementing the Wi-Fi module to show the temperature and humidity on a screen of phone.
At the end, we would like to thank our professor, Mr. Konark Sharma, for giving us wonderful insights and guidance for this project.
This was our first time making a project like this, and we got to learn so many different things. Though we have worked upon this project collectively, but I mainly lead it on the programming part, and I got to learn how can I program a real-time project like this, and got to learn how can I code in Arduino IDE and all.
It was our first time working on a physical microprocessor, and for earlier we have already seen it in our theory books and read about it. But now, after implementing this project, it was a great experience.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful opportunity.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S research, subscribe now.